In this video, I complete the demolition of the second bathroom that was started after Hurricane Helene. Hi, my hobby is taking discarded furniture and home goods and renewing them to give them a second life. Welcome to my channel. The tile on the wall of this bathroom has already been removed. Now I'm left with removing the remaining tiles in the shower. I was not looking forward to this task as I feared these tiles would be difficult to remove. A link to the tools and materials used in this video can be found in the description. I like a clean work area, or as clean as you can get given the circumstance, so I will often clean up an area before moving on to the next. I'm not surprised at the condition of this shower, as I had previously seen signs of failure in the grout and tile. You can see the shower floor moving as one slab. This will be the last remaining piece that I have to move, as I was simply not strong enough to do this on my own. I'd like to take a moment here to thank the viewers who have supported my channel through Buy Me a Coffee and my Amazon wishlist. Links to both can be found in the description. The tile framing the window proved to be one of the most challenging aspects of the entire tile removal of both bathrooms. I'm using a heat gun in an attempt to loosen the grout and the mortar beneath the tiles. If you'd like to follow my journey through my home remodel process, please consider subscribing to the channel. The reason I struggled here so much is because I was trying to remove the actual tiles that sat on top of the mortar when what I should have done was remove the entire mortar with the tile intact. Took me a while to realize this, but eventually I got it. It looks like my camera quit on me before I got all of the tiles removed, but I did eventually get them all removed. Thanks for watching.